Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you guys a really high protein banana muffin recipe you can make. I don't actually have a muffin tray, so I'm just going to make a big batch of kind of like a souffle, but I'll show you what you guys are going to be using. So what we've got here, we've got 4 eggs, 1 packet of casein protein powder, 5 scoops of whey protein powder isolate. So we want whey protein powder isolate, but we want the casein to help bind it all together. Then you've got 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 cups of oats, 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 6 nanas, and 4 tablespoons of honey. So all you're going to do is you're going to pop coming out of the blender. So I've got in a little cake bowl. I'm going to put the oven on 200 degrees Celsius. And it's going to go in there for 20 minutes. Okay, this is 20 minutes later. It's pretty puffy. I'm not sure how that's going to go. Let's have a look. I think it needs a little bit longer. Yeah, it's still a little bit moist. I'm going to put it back in for another 10. Actually, I just tasted it. I think that's perfect. Let's have a look. No, still a bit runny, so we'll put it back in for a little bit longer. Okay, now it's cooked. You can see here, it's nice and hard. So I had to cook it for about 40 minutes, but it's because it's in such a big dish. And there you go.